Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is an eye makeup tutorial for small eyes or for hooded eyes. इस तरीके से आई मेकअप करोगे तो आईज बड़े दिखेंगे और आईलिड का जो हुड है वो भी विजिबल नहीं होगा. We will start the eye makeup by applying some moisturizer or eye cream near the eye area. It is very important to keep the skin near your eyes hydrated ताकि आई मेकअप करने के बाद ये जो एरिया है उसमें क्रैक ना पड़े, creases ना दिखे. The next thing you can do is apply some brow wax on your brows to maintain the shape of the brows and also make them look bushy. मेरा मानना है कि आईब्राउज का बहुत बड़ा रोल होता है आई मेकअप को अच्छा दिखाने के लिए. आईब्राउज अगर अच्छे से डिफाइंड है तभी आई मेकअप कंप्लीट दिखता है. In the next step, I'm applying a peachy color corrector all around the eyes. This is a basic step for every eye makeup look, otherwise eyeshadows won't look very pigmented. बहुत सारे लोगों के eyelids reddish होते हैं या फिर dark circles होते हैं, तो कंसीलर या फिर करेक्टर यूज़ करने के बाद eyelid का जो स्किन है वो even out दिखता है और ब्राइट दिखता है. So please do not miss this step before doing any eye makeup look. But after applying concealer or corrector, set the area with a powder, otherwise the area would be tacky और eyeshadows patchy दिखेंगे अगर tacky skin पे apply कर दिया तो. For today's eye makeup look, I'm taking Mars eyeshadow palette. This palette is affordable but the quality is pretty good. If you have small eyes or hooded eyes, to make your eyes look bigger, apply the transition shade just below your eyebrows. Transition shade is the lightest shade of all the eyeshadows you're gonna apply, and light transition shades are applied to define the shape of your eyes. तो अपने आईज के जितने ऊपर और जितने नीचे आप ट्रांजिशन शेड को अप्लाई करोगे उतना ही आईज बिगर दिखेगा. This eye makeup look will be bright and will include glitter so that you can wear it for wedding functions or any party. That is why I'm applying a bright pink shade on my crease line. But if you can notice, I applied this pink shade much above my original crease line. थोड़ा सा ऊपर अगर इस bright shade को apply करोगे तो वो आपका नया crease line बन जाएगा and your eyes will look bigger. When you create a new crease line, make sure that you apply good amount of eyeshadow layer by layer and you use a tapered brush to do this. तभी आपका नया जो crease line है वो बहुत अच्छे से distinct होगा. Now blend everything nicely with a very fluffy round brush. हार्श लाइंस आई मेकअप में बिल्कुल भी अच्छे नहीं लगते. हार्श लाइंस के होने से आपके आईज छोटे भी लग सकते हैं. On the other hand, if you diffuse the shades on the edges, it will create an illusion of bigger eyes. Now don't forget to apply the transition shade once again, which may have been faded due to layering of other eyeshadows. Now we'll focus on the outer corner and here we apply the darkest shade. Here I'm applying a dark brown shade and merging it with the new crease line we created. Altogether, this will create a new big eyelid for you. To apply the darkest shade on the outer corner, use a small tapered brush. The V of the outer corner will be the darkest area and gradually you need to blend the shade towards your inner lid. Do the same on the lower lash line. Keep the darker shade only on the outer corners क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा एरिया में अगर डार्क शेड्स अप्लाई करोगे तो फिर आईज छोटे दिखेंगे. Now coming to the eyelids, if you want to apply glitter, first take a similar eyeshadow and apply it on the eyelids. Then apply a glitter adhesive and after that you can apply the glitters. Glitters are not as dense as any metallic eyeshadow or shimmers. As a result, you can see through the eyelids even after applying the glitters. So it is necessary to apply a powder eyeshadow, possibly a similar looking eyeshadow to the glitters. इस तरीके से आपका glitters भी opaque दिखेगा. If you have hooded eyelids, use a powder eyeshadow to line your lash line. With a small brush, you can keep this line as close to your lash line as you want. और पाउडर आई शेडोज़ को आप स्मोक आउट भी कर सकते हैं नेचुरल लुक के लिए. You can apply a kajal on your waterline, but do not forget to smudge it out. Now clean the surroundings if you have fallouts to have a very crisp eye makeup look. Reapply any shade if you are not happy with the pigmentation, but make sure you blend it nicely. Finally, I'll apply mascara और मैं एक waterproof mascara ले रही हूँ क्योंकि waterproof mascara से eyelashes droopy नहीं होते, उसका shape maintain रहता है. Now, if you want to elongate the shape of your eyes, brush your eyelashes towards the sides. But if you want to have big, round and open up eyes, brush your lashes towards the front. यहाँ पे जैसे मैंने अपने lashes को सामने की तरफ brush किया. Now it's time to deepen the color of my brows. And here I'm taking a brow cream from PAC. I prefer to apply a brow cream rather than any powder or pencil because with a brow cream you get a very natural look. But you can totally use whatever you are comfortable with. Another thing you need to do is cleaning the sides of the brows with a concealer. This step will also help defining the eye makeup and the shape of your eyes. Also, इससे eyebrows भी sharp दिखेंगे. Choosing the right pair of falsies for your eye makeup is another way to make your eyes look bigger. आँखें छोटे हैं, बड़ा दिखाना है, hooded है, open दिखाना है, तो round 3D lashes use करना. Round lashes मतलब sides के जो hair है वो छोटे हैं और same length के हैं और middle का जो hair है वो long है, upward bend होता है. So this was the eye makeup tutorial for small and hooded eyes. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, do not forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. I'll catch up with you in my next video. Till then, bye.